Roxanne, so you're obviously a client of GA, and I'm wondering, would you be able to tell us how GA is supporting your work and your teams with upskilling initiatives and what challenges this work is solving? So what does success look like to you?
Earlier that, there was just no way that we can go out the gate to just kind of upskill 44,000 employees. It's just like not feasible. So strategy is all about choices. And we choose to focus, first of all, on up knowledge, right, which is your fundamental digital literacy. But then when it comes to the skills, sales and marketing really are is key to the next level of transformation. And so, one of and I am a fan of GA, given that, I have spent some time at GA myself as part of corporate. And, one of the, I think, more outstanding programs out there is the CM1 course, Certified Marketer course. Foundationally, marketing has become such a monster, if you will, when it comes to, a disciplinary approach. And I would say that, the PNGs of marketers of the world, like they were notoriously fabulous, right? But from 20 years ago to where we are today, things are quite different. And so, but there are just some basic level items that remains the same from a skills perspective that we expect everyone to know, but they don't necessarily teach it in school, nor necessarily in MBA classes, right? So what GA has done, and I thought that, was wonderful, is the fact that just kind of like crystallizing what are some of the fundamentals, a true blue marketer needs to have on a foundational level before they can like move on out to like expertise level. So things like insights, understanding MarTech, marketing channels, and so on and so forth became key. And CM1, I would say that, we did a pilot this year with GA where we rolled out around the world just to get a pulse check on, is this something that, that has done well for our employees. And I would say like the results, actually, I just saw them, has been pretty good in the sense that, it helped to round out the skills, the skill gaps, if you will, that say, for example, somebody who's just like been knee deep in media, don't necessarily have when it comes to, I'm making this up, like insights. And to round that off when it comes to insights and creative is really going to like kind of like take them on to the next level to have meaningful conversations with their team.